Hey you.
Yo, get hold.
You looking forward to going out in this boat, are you?
Yes.
You're going to be on camera? You're going to be on YouTube. You are. Right, go ahead, keep driving then. So, put it on forward, look. That's it. That's alright, we're going. Now turn that way, turn the steering wheel that way. That's it. Keep going. And stop there. Good lad, let me see. Now, there's another one there, look.
Yeah.
There's 3 of them. See across there?
1, 2, 3.
See? You see them? Look, watch, do you see? They'll stick their heads up. Look at that one there, you can see its back.
Oh, yeah.
See him, look?
Look where we see that.
Go on, reel. Reel up and see.
I punched down and that's how it bleeded.
Very good. You want to pick one up? Go, pick it up.
What?
Pick it up.
These
Go on.
buckets.
Hey, no, pick up the fish. Off, let that keep it.
Right.
Yeah, you want to
Pick up it. You've got... Tell them for that fish.
Ready? So, lift up your fish. Go ahead, lift them up. Very good. Now, you have to take them off the hooks.
What?
You have to take them off the hook. Oh, we lost one.
watch him.
I know.
Yo, look at that jellyfish eating that. Look at that tickle eating jellyfish.
Yeah. Now, look at these ones. Now, we don't keep these ones, but... So look, you see, you have to take them off the hook. Right, so look, you grab the fish like that. And you get the jaggy thing. You pull it out of its mouth. And you want to throw it back in? Here. Grab the fish. Oh, you get it. Get it. Go.
Oh, it's dead.
It's not dead.
It's dead.
It's not dead. Lift it. I will. Go on ahead. That's it. No, you don't put them in the bucket. Throw it back in the sea.
What?
Throw that one back in the sea. Yeah.
Grab it, help.
That's it. Oh, watch your fingers. There we go. Now watch him swim away. Oh, the bird's trying to get it, look. Right, so hang on. There's another one in there. A couple in here we'll put back in the sea. You can throw that one back in. There it goes.
There's one in there.
Yeah, let's see. So you take that one off the hook, right? So what you do is, you grab the fish. That's it. And then watch your fingers, because they're jaggy. Look, like that there. You see? And then throw it back in. Go, throw. Oh, get it. Here, there's one more. Go back in here. You throw it back in. That's it. Right, watch him swim away. Watch him. Look, watch him. You see him over the boat? Look.
Yeah.
What's over here?
Alright, we'll see if we can do it again.
Okay. I've done good there.
You did? Very good. Hey, Mummy and you try and catch one.
You okay in there?
Here, let me see.
It's on me.
You okay in there? Well, they
Oh,
all
hang on.
in.
Right, you hold that a second, right? Just hold on to it. Here's your rod. The tip of it around here. It's stuck. Do out whenever you're reeling this. Right. Right, here we go. Ready? Let's see, are we anywhere near this reef here? Sort of. Right, so let that down. Tuck it under your arm like I showed you. That's it. And then that hand up here.
There's seaweed on it.
That's alright, don't worry about that. Right, we're at the bottom, so now we just wait. Right. Right, put it.
We've got loads of fishes in there.
Yeah, loads of fish already.
Hopefully.
It's alright. Make sure you hold on to that rod. Never mind what I'm doing. You hold on to your rod, like I showed you. Keep 2 hands on it. And that's it. Arm up underneath. Oh. Now stand over here. Lean up against the boat. That's it. And I'll hold you on my leg. There you go. Oh, very good. Mackerels. A big bunch of them too. Right, get them up and over. Oh, hang on now. Your line's caught in there. We'll try to avoid yours. Alright, okay. So that's not happening. Right, here. Hold that. Good issues.
That we need for bait.
Oh, why? That's the ones we need for bait, yep. Right, so back that rod up. Now just watch yourself, because get them in here. A wee bunch of mackerels. Like a bunch of grapes. Look. Hey. Like a big bunch of grapes.
Oh, baby!
Right, so there's our baits. And keep more of them. that one there. Look at the mess they're in here. We've got issues. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Watch your fingers out of the way now. Don't you put your hands in there. And they're jaggy. Really, really jaggy. Shit. Someone's got a problem. Okay, so we've got issues with these. Now, I'm getting that one out. Oh dear, oh dear.
Is the tail split?
Might have to cut the hem lines.
The tail split?
Mm-hmm.
It says buzzards in that mouth. Oh, it's got teeth?
Oh, they've got teeth. Now, let's see this mess here. Whose is where?
Nice time to take.
Yeah, let's cut one. What have you got? Mackerels?
Aye.
Mackerel trims. Hang on now. Let's see. There's them over here. Lift them up and over. There we go. Where? Relax. Fishy, fishy. Yeah, they'll all get kept. We can give them away to people too. People eat them. Oh, he's got something. I think it's mackerel. Oh no, there's a few. Coleys.
Keep me around, no?
Nah, too small. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that one got it in the eyeball.
Okay.
Right, go ahead, back down. Oh, are we sandy?
That's not be you.
Yeah, we sandy it is. They're a good bait. We'll keep it. Okay, it'll still work. Here. So, hold your thumb, right, and then you flick that one. Now, and once you flick it, you're in control of it. That's it. So use your thumb to let it go down. Once it hits the bottom, flick it back over. Something already? Yep, reel up. Go for it. Just the only way that it'll turn.
No coming, alright.
Did it get off? No, still on, reel. Let's see. It's because it's upside down. Yeah, you have to hold it. You use it upside down. Because it's a sea rod. It's for fishing deeper water. If you put your hand, this hand above it, it might be easier. Aye, like that. Right, something on there. What is it? Oh, aye. Here, look at these. Yeah, there can get more now. Oh, what do you got? Mackerels? Yep. Hang on the bottom there. Hang on, get these ones. Watch, let it go.
Go ahead.
Let yours go. Let it go, just leave it there. Right, some bait. Oh, hang on there. Something's happening here. Yep, hang on, I've got a fish. A couple of mackerel. One.
That's some size.
That's a good size one. Right, hang on, I'll drop this one and I'll get some bit. Yeah. I'll stick it on there. We'll grab with that. Here.
I'm not touching that one.
Why do you not touch the fish? You're funny, won't touch a fish. It's only a fish.
It's only a fish.
Well, it's only a piece of a fish, actually. Just like that. Oh.
Let's say that.
It is a bit choppy for him, like. Oh, there we go, there's something. Oh, I've got a shark.
What?
I've got a shark.
Oh, shark. Look. Look at that. Big shark, look.
Put it back in the water.
Look. Look at how you just said.
It's the way they hide. They're like. Yep. It's like sandpaper. Alright, let me see. Look, feel it? You want to feel it? Look, it's okay. It's not dangerous. Look, it's like sandpaper. It's got rough skin. Look, you can touch it. It's not. They're not dangerous.
There you are.
It's actually called a dogfish, but they're a member of the shark family because they've got 5 gills. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wee moth. Go ahead, go ahead. Gotcha. It's about to get choppy. Here we go. Our other engine couldn't do this. Whoa, water, water! And here, I need to stop the engine.
have jumped in before.
Ah, and it's deep. We're actually not going to make this. Here, give me the oar. Will not. Don't you jump in there. Don't. How's that? Yeah, that's too deep to jump in. I'm going to need to start the engine again. I'm bringing it across. That's too deep. Yeah, that's too deep. It's not going to move us. Here, hold that there, the eye. I'm going to need to do the engine again. That's low. I will just. It's going to be this side. Watch that way. Right. Keys. The keys. Callum, in this top thing, keys here. In the top basket. Ah, it should still get in there. If everyone moves.
Go.
It may be able to get it on there.
Get that wire, get the wire.
Alright, bring it right. Yeah, it needs to go on that first one. And then watch doesn't go too far. It's going to go too far. Go to the other side of it. If that's what I'm saying, go to the other side of it. Right, push the back end of it round. Right there, not too far. Whoa, whoa, you're going too far.
Over there.
Right, guide the front of it here. Watch your fingers.
Can't see a thing.
We're on.
Hang on, just move it up a wee bit, just a wee touch. So I can see. Instead of just staying on up.
Yeah, we're good.
No, I'll need to be placed out the back of it.
Let me see. A wee bit. Yeah, a wee bit. That'll be alright. It's good. It's good.
What size your engine, guys?
A 65.
Do you have some mackerel for a barbecue?
Some mackerel. Do you want some mackerel? I'll give you some mackerel, no problem. Give us a
How do you
bucket.
do?
Ah, here we are.
I'm sure. Look at that.
Now they need to be rinsed. Need to take them over there, but they're just all fresh.
Oh my goodness.
Just want a big Coley?
Oh yeah.
Want to eat that?
What way would you cook the Coley?
Exact same. Just take a spill it off. In fact, that's a nicer fish.
Just clean them and then just stick them on.
Take a. You don't need. Do you know what? See, whenever I do it, I don't even need to clean them. What I do is take a knife, put it in there, and take a slice off that one, turn it over, take a knife, slice that, and leave the middle in it, and then you can get rid of it. It's a lot easy cleaner. But that's a whiter meat. Yep, just a big fillet, or you can cook the whole lot.
Yeah.
But that's like a white meat, more like a cod rather than the fishier.
Yes,
but
the
there you.
mackerel.
Yep.
Hey, you're a gentleman.
Oh, watch there.
Oh, hold on.
Hey, you take that one then.
Wow.
Let's see, we get the bigger ones. Let's see.
Thank you.
There's another big one there. There you go.
Thanks, guys.
Now take them, make sure you give them a rinse in the fresh water over there.
I picked them. I don't hold it.
Here, look, you ever seen one of those?
What's that?
Wee sand eel.
Is it right?
Can we have this?
Oh, you don't eat them. You don't really eat them. I keep that for
Keep that for bait.
pike bait.
Right.
For pike fishing.
Oh,
you can eat them ones, yep.
Look at that.
You can indeed.
You just pike bait him.
Yeah, just 2 wee trebles and throw it in.
Hey, you did alright. You don't crack.
Want any mackerel?
Excuse me, can I have a big one?
Yeah, yes.
Charlie, that guy ain't giving you enough.
Well, there you go. Many of you says there, have a fish each. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Now, you want any?
Keep those short. Thanks, boys. Yes, see what nice fishing.
All right. Oh, just wee feathers. Yeah, just wee purple feathers. Now there's a pollock. That's a mackerel. That's a coley. And then that's a sand eel.
How long were you out?
Just from about what, 9 o'clock? Yep, wee second. Well, I'm gonna move the boat around. We're only out half day, so it's pretty good for a half a day. Yeah, there's wee sand eels. Keep them for pike bait. You don't eat them or anything.
Yeah.
Just use them for pike food. The other ones, the mackerel and all, they're all good eating fish. That's a big coley. Yeah, some of them. Yeah, well, I keep most of them for pike bait. But does anybody want any mackerel or anything?
I would take it if I was going home, but I wouldn't want to go on.
You have to eat them pretty much the same day. Yeah. Yeah, if you don't eat them the same day, they start to stink.
Bring that wee piece.
What wee piece? For what? Yeah, we can work it out, yeah. Right, I'll move it over and then we'll rinse them all down. If you just want anybody wants any, let me know. Right, hold tight there. Hang on, need to get my hands around. Yes, you want a wee mackerel? What do you want, a mackerel?
Just a wee experience.
Right, we'll see. Well, there's we'll see. Give a couple of decent big mackerels, right? So we'll see. If you're wanting to do a wee taste test, right? What we'll do is we'll give you that one and that one. Right. Well, so see this one here. It's more like a cod. It's a white meat. It's not as fishy tasting.
Okay.
They're like the proper mackerel or fishy tasting. If you're a fish eater, the mackerel's the one you like. If you're not so much a fish eater, that's the one there. But take them over and give them a wee rinse just in the fresh water there, just to give them a wee bit of a clean because they've been sitting in the bucket. No problem, enjoy. They were caught literally not even half an hour ago. Doesn't get fresher than that. Aye. Right, swing your leg over. That's it. You ready? Hop over. Hop onto me. Ready? And your feet down to there. There we go. Good man. There, you feeling a bit better now you're back on land?
Yeah.
You got your land legs? We've got a seasick. Well, you did well. You took it well. You didn't moan, which was good.
What's the one we're selling all the engines in boats?
Where?
Ireland.
Oh, Boats NI. Boats for Sale NI on Facebook. You get them there all the
He's got a
time.
couple of wee boats up there, but he says he's only got 6 horsepower engines.
I never ever.
Use them or anything? Yeah.
We took it out once and Joe was pregnant with. He's not here.
Yes, sir. Yes, you can do.
Right,
won't be scrounging anymore. Okay, we went up. No, I'm enough. Thank
He wants
you
to see
very
them, that's
much.
alright. There you go.
These are all mackerel. And there's this, is that the sandy, did you
Yeah,
say?
that's the wee sandy.
There's a sandy, look.
There's a few of them in there, look.
He'll make those in the bait.
Yeah, and they catch pike
He'll make
with
those
them.
in the bait. Where do you
Look, see all them? Look,
You see 'em?
I keep them just for pike fishing.
Look.
There's a load of them. Look.
And then look, you catch a pike with these guys.
Yeah, the pike eat them.
Not class.
And then
And is
that's
that a Coley?
that's a pollock.
A pollock.
Yeah, the difference is we see. Oh, have I even any Coleys left?
What you gave me? You gave me a Coley, did you?
Yeah, there's a Coley there. So
Right.
you can see the difference. This has like a green colour along its back. Now when they die, you can see the way that they bruise very easily.
Yes.
No, with another fish just sitting on top of it, bruises quite easily. They don't bruise quite as much. This one has like a brown colour, and its lateral line here. You see the colour of it.
Yeah.
Whereas this one here's lateral lines pure straight. Look, see the difference in shape?
And what way, I think you give me one, what way will I, so I'll top and tail it, I'll just open them up and do you think,
Yep,
or
you can do
do
any
you
way at
reckon
all.
just fillet them?
Yeah, well, if you're going to eat, if you're a fish, say I'm not really a fish lover, do you know what I mean? So I only eat particular bits, so I'm a big fussy. But if you're a fish liker, just open the belly, as you say, top and
Bit of
tail it,
lemon
and that's it.
and
Work
barbecue.
away. What you
Right.
can do as well, if you don't want to gut it, a lot of people don't like
I would gut it,
the
yeah.
whole gutting thing, is if you put a knife, you see, just,
Yes, and
I'll
you
show
just
you
fillet it.
for example on one of these here.
What? Oh, you think I see slice that?
Let me see a wee small one.
Do you know what?
There. So what I would do is, I go in behind the head like that, right?
Yes.
Just to the front.
Uh-huh.
Under, and then get the knife underneath it, and what this does, and then you can obviously do it a bit neater than what I'm doing.
Right, and then-
but what I'll do then is run it the whole way down, and it takes off. Watch your
the
fingers.
blood.
Just that wee fillet there.
Right, there's the
You
fillet.
see, and it saves you a bother having to actually
Done that before.
got it.
Oh, don't worry. The blood will save it all.
Just a mackerel fillet.
That's life. That's hunting.
That's exactly it.
Where do you think your food? Watch your fingers or something. Where do you think your food comes from?
Oh no, here, they're good. I would shoot snipe.
I love
and
it. I
seals,
love all
and they would all be
seafood.
into
Yeah,
it.
me
So
too.
look-
I love squid.
And then I know that's we don't use them for bait, but that keeps it all
Uh-huh.
rather than
Do you know
yeah.
what?
I'll throw that one in the bin there. Actually, it's hard. Well, what do you see? What do you see? Sometimes you can tell what has been eaten, which is gross. See this here? Look. Right, look. See this here? That's what it's been eating. Look, there's actually a miniature one of these.
Wee minnows. Yeah.
See them? So there's mini ones of them. And you can look here. What do you see? This is its stomach. I'll see if I can get it out. Look. You see? Now look, that's a wee tiny piece of one of those. Oh, I don't touch it now. Watch it, they're stinking. That's its liver. You see this bit here? And its kidneys.
Kidneys.
Right, and then there's its gills in there.
Yeah,
That's how it breathes.
I can't.
So it's always every day's a school day.
A couple of years ago, we were in the cottage and I could see what I then were shoals of them. We came
Oh,
down
you get
the right
loads and
tonight.
loads of shoals of them.
They chased the fry in, even into the bay.
Oh, they'll come right in.
I
Yeah.
took my fly rod now.
Oh, you'd get them. I'll do the fly fishing too.
I'm serious. You want that?
It's fun, brilliant crack.
I just got bored.
Yeah, every time. Yeah, that's class. I do the same I fly fish for the pike as well. No problem. Yes, son. Yes.
Once I was at South.
Yeah.
And
you're using
Sorry. Oh, it's okay. Here, do you want to use it? Here. There you go, look. Oh, no problem. There you are.
And I saw
We've got
I saw a
instructions.
big fish, and I saw a big fish, and it
I will do them tonight. folks.
Yeah, ideally you want to do them in the one day. You can do them tomorrow, but the longer, if you want like the fresh taste out of, if you leave them for a day, it kind of the longer you literally, yeah, they do. Yeah, especially the mackerel. The other ones you can take a fillet off and freeze. Okay, the mackerel should be eaten in the same day.
You don't eat them all.
Oh, you can do that. Yeah, if it's pre-cooked. Yeah.
Send them about whenever we come down. a couple of
No
days
problem.
ago, we saw them.
You can have a few more there if you want. Like.
No, we're good. Thank you. There's plenty of people who want them. Thank you very much.
No bother at all.
Thank you. Charlie.
Right, there we go. My keys. Gives my shoes down. I'm running around here like I've got my trousers down around my ankles. There.
Just watch the camera when it's back up. No, keep off here, mate, back up.
Hang on. Wait, I'll get. You got them? Yeah. Look, see. Right, go for it.
Everybody ready, yeah?
Yep.
When do you know it's clean?
Hmm?
When do you know it's clean?
It'll run out. The water will run out of it. You let it drain through just for a wee bit. Well, the usual. Catch lots of fish. Thumbs up, subscribe.